Now, the Congress party is all set to hold pan-India protests to protest against the irregularities in the NEET examination. The Congress party is saying we are going to protest demanding justice for the students. Remember, several irregularities have come to light in the NEET examinations, and now the Congress party is going to hold pan-India protests. Protests expected in several locations across the country. The Congress party is scaling up the protests over the alleged irregularities in NEET. Now, the Congress party has announced these protests as are going to take place in several locations, including the national capital, of course. It will protest in the state headquarters to demand justice for the students. A letter in this regard has also been sent by the Congress party to all the party leaders, general secretaries, state in charges and other functionaries, saying the Congress party will be organizing massive protests, asking the Karyakartas also to join in the protest, demanding justice for the students. This comes at the time when the Union Education Minister has also admitted that we are looking into the allegations of irregularities, but it's not just over the irregularities, but also the paper leak that has come to light. Massive anger. Students have also been protesting over the last few days. Now, the Congress party also politicizing the issue, joining the students in their protest. Today, protests are going to be held across the country in the headquarters of the Congress party, with the Congress demanding the Prime Minister's accountability on the paper leak, saying not the first time this is happening, there needs to be accountability. My colleague Akanksha is joining us over the phone line with the details. Akanksha, the Congress party has been raising the issue of NEET time and again. Top leaders of the party, including Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Mallikarjun Kharge, have been raising the issue time and again. The Congress party has now asked Prime Minister Modi to address the ongoing controversy around NEET and take responsibility for preventing paper leaks. In fact, Mallikarjun Kharge said that the cancellation of the UGC NET exam is a victory for the students and defeat of the Modi government's arrogance, and asking what is the plan on NEET. So, Akanksha, what is planned? The Congress party planning to protest across the country?
Well, the Congress party is planning protests in all the state capitals today, and they are demanding, remember, from the last few days, that justice for the students because there are allegations of irregularities in the NEET UG examination. And in fact, yesterday a letter was dispatched to all the state unit chiefs of the Congress party and other post holders in the party, and they were urgently asked to go to the students in their respective states and address their grievances. And in fact, K.C. Venugopal also said that the results that were announced on June 4th, which have been clouded by the accusation of irregularities and paper leaks due to inflated marks of some candidates, needs to be addressed. And that is why today, all across the country, we will see Congress's protest here also in the national capital at 11 o'clock. The Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee, the party leaders will be coming together near the BJP headquarters on the DTU mark, and will be doing the protest against this.
Okay, all right. The Union Education Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, had also spoken on the controversy, saying that we are taking responsibility, but also saying that isolated cases should not affect those who have cleared the exams rightfully. So for the students, Akanksha, there's been a lot of confusion over what would happen next. It's in the Supreme Court as well, but the onus is also going to be on the government to ensure that they take action. All right, we'll go back to Akanksha on that. Yesterday, remember, the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan had said isolated incidents of malpractices should not affect the students who cleared the exam rightfully. He made the statement amid the raging controversy and the demands by the opposition to reconduct the entire examination. We're keeping a track of what's expected today, not just the briefing, but also the protest by the Congress party. For now, a very quick break. We'll be right back.